Hey guys, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and a special thanks to Keely for giving me permission to shoot this video for you guys and send it over to you. Now, I don't want to waste too much of your time. I know you guys are super busy, it being peak season for bugs and stuff like that, but this video is simply informational and educational, just kind of showing you some tips and tricks on how to improve your online presence and then dominate your competition in your local area of Abilene, okay? So first things first. Actually, there's three things I should say that I want to talk to you about today. The first thing is going to be content. Second thing is backlinks, and then the last thing we're going to talk about is citations. Okay. Now, first things first. I was kind of just fiddling around with your website, and I do got to say that it's super easy to navigate. I didn't see any problems with it. Before I started filming this video. I was, just kind of going around, just kind of clicking things here and there. I didn't see anything wrong with it, honestly. If I'm honest with you, Google doesn't care about how pretty a website is. They don't even care about, anything on here except content, right? So the words on the page, and then the keywords that are related to the content. So if I were to highlight all the content you have on here, okay, I would press copy here, and then I put it on my word counter just to see how many words you have here. So you have 569 words, okay? Now, Google honestly only cares about, as I was saying, content, and a dominant website has anywhere between 1,500 and 2,000 words on their homepage, right? So meaning that you're lacking here just a little bit. So I would recommend you guys, boosting at least over 1,000, just so you become more visible. Google would be, would be more likely to find you if people are searching for something specific, in Abilene, right? So that's my first tip. Now, secondly, the second thing we're going to talk about today is backlinks. Okay. Now, I am noticing as I typed in your email address here on my tool, this tool is called Ahrefs. Now, this is a paid tool. Obviously, I am in the industry, right? But there are other tools out there that you can use that are completely free, just by searching, backlink searcher, or excuse me, backlink researcher for free, keyword researcher for free, things like that, and you can definitely see what I'm seeing here. Now, Ahrefs is just a tool that allows me to see what's going on in the background. And as you can see here, you have 65 referring domains, which are basically just other websites that are pushing traffic to your website. And it shows me how many times they're doing that, and that's 335 times. You have 99 keywords, and you have roughly 134 people visiting your website per month, bringing you a total of $827 in traffic value. Now, your competition, which is number one in your area at the moment on Google, is Bug Blasters. Okay, now they have less referring domains and less backlinks than you do, right? They even have less keywords, but they have roughly the same amount of people visiting their website per month, bringing them more value. See that? Or I should say a little less value than you. But either way, they're not having to work as hard as your backlinks and referring domains over here. Yours has nearly double than theirs. Reason being is that their backlinks and their referring domains are quality, and they're bringing them more power, than yours. So your referring domains and your backlinks are having to work overtime. As to these guys, they're not having to put any work in at all, and they're still ranking number one in your area. Now, not all backlinks are created equal, which is what I'm going to get at, right? Because as I showed you, you have double the amount of backlinks and referring domains as your competition over here. But they're still outranking you because, as I stated before, their backlinks and referring domains have more power than yours. Now, what I mean by that is that Google knows that you're not a restaurant. Google knows that you're not an Arby's or anything like that, right? So they don't want any referring domains that are pushing traffic towards your website to be restaurants, right? Anything that's not associated with what you do, right? So Bug Blasters is doing probably a great job in getting, pest control forums or blogs or other websites that are pest control related that are pushing traffic towards their website, which is why they're getting more power. And considering Google is a popularity contest, these other websites that are related to pest control and blogs and forums and stuff like that are just giving them more power and are vouching for them and saying, like, you know what, these guys are trustworthy, right? So which does mean that you're kind of leaving more money on the table for them to take than, you know, so you guys would definitely benefit from optimizing that. You know what I mean? So lastly, what I want to talk to you guys about, excuse me, I'm having a hard time talking. The last thing that I want to talk to you guys about today is citations. Now, citations are just anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number to be found in a directory. Okay. Now, a directory is Yelp. You've got Home Advisor. You've got let's see. Okay, so you got Yelp, Home Advisor, White Pages, Yellow Pages. You got Angie's List. All those are just a small list of directories that you can use for yourself just by plugging in your information of your business. That would help build your citation list, and that's how you get up here in the map pack, right? Usually, people click, you know, the number one company that's up here on this list, right? People usually, you know, almost all the time, they don't go here to the 4th and 5th page of Google to find what they're looking for. Typically, they'll just go up here to the first page or into the top 3 Google Map Pack area here. This is where most of the traffic is. This is where most of the business goes, right? So if you're needing more clients, if you're, especially during the winter months, if you're wanting to become number one, you would just want to research the amount of citations Bug Blasters has in your area, and you'd want to add them onto yours. The same thing with their backlinks, right? If their backlinks are providing them this number one spot here in the organic section, then you definitely want to do the research to put those backlinks for your website here. So there are 2 things that you can do here, right? So there's 2 options. So the first option is to, excuse me, the first option is to take all this information and utilize it, right? And use it for yourself, do all the research, and as I said, increase the amount of words you have on your homepage. Researching the backlinks for Bug Blasters and using it yourself. Same thing for citations, putting your information for your business on all these different directories, especially the local directories there in for Abilene, right? And that would greatly increase your visibility and put you in this number one dominating spot here, right, that Bug Blasters has. And if you're looking to outsource some help for whatever reason, I am here to help you. If you need guidance in any way, or in the first step in taking that first right step forward, right, you could definitely reach out to me. My name is Jesus, and I'd be more than happy to help you. Once again, thank you so much for your time. I appreciate you guys watching this video, and you guys have a wonderful day.